Are you managing?
Yeah.
I'll watch. There we go. That's good. That's a good angle to put the next bit in.
Oh,
Do you see what I mean? Now we can slide that bit in and then take care of that bit. So you're not fine with it when you're trying to do. I'm good at advising, aren't I?
That's okay.
Yeah. I did undo these straps.
You did. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay.
The
You need a hand.
man's got a bad back.
Yeah, I'm old man bad back today.
Oh, what's in there? Oh, the muff.
Okay, I'll help. Hey, come on, get your head out of the bloody... There you go, there's your bit of wood. Now you can do that bit. See, that she done it all by herself. I didn't help at all. I did really. What are you doing wrong? Remember, you got to have it at the top, haven't you?
Oh, yeah. It goes...
Yeah. So collapse it back up. Collapse the ladder back up. Come on, it hasn't been that long.
Oh, my hair's getting stuck in the tent.
From here, it just looks like, you know, it's sort of come alive. You're just see things just lumping and bumping about. There's a lot of grunting. Are you having problems?
Well, these aren't out.
No, you're supposed to have these two together.
Then it's not going to be long enough.
It will be. Oh, how come this is different this time then?
Because I think we're on a slope.
We must be on a slope. I think you're right. Don't listen to me. Take it back out again.
I was struggling for no reason at all.
Yes, you need to extend the ladder now. There you go, you got it now. There you are.
That's how I had it.
Yeah, well that's perfect. I don't know what you changed it for. Come on. You need to push it up a little bit, I think. Just a little bit. But don't listen to me. I don't really know what I'm doing. You know what we didn't do? We didn't strap these corners. You got ahead of yourself again.
You went plonk.
Well, I did because you couldn't do... Oh, you could have done the zip, actually. There we go. Done that one. There you go. Yeah, I'll do this one.
Where's the...
It's there. It was. Here it is. There's it. Here you go.
Do you know what? that over there is going to be yours.
It's not. Come on, I done. Look, you made it wonky here. Christ.
I know what's...
You haven't done the awning bit, have you? Look.
Right, this is because we've done it all the wrong way round.
You're right.
It's
Well, you could have done that bit.
disrupted the flow.
Well, yeah, because we haven't done this way before. Go on, get in there. Go on, stick it out. There's probably going to be a problem here now as well. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, you found it? Pull. Pull.
What? Stop it.
What are you doing?
Right, you're not coming.
Are you done it?
No! Shut up!
Do you need some help?
No! I need you to shut... Go away!
Look, I'm trying to help.
Go away!
Go on then, do it yourself.
Oh,
You're a strong, independent woman. There you go. See, well, like a dream, didn't it? Need some more pegs.
yeah, well...
You know, I said about them dogs yapping.
Yeah.
I bet I thought, God, what are them two people making all that row in the forest when someone got poked in the face? Yeah, I can't do this with one hand.
I'll be there in a minute. Right, it's your turn to shine now, Sonny Jim.
So this is the thing we talked about last time. It's a little bit tricky. So you can stick it in the hole first, which has got to go at a funny angle. There we are.
Dodgy filming.
So it's got to get it. Oh, bloody hell! I see. I can't get it. Am I hitting the camera? There. There. Is it in? There. That's in there. And then, have I got it around the wrong way? I've got it around the wrong way. There you go. That's that way. And then with a bad back. Ta-da! Let's try and do the other one. So we can do it the other way. We should put it in that one in first, and then stick it in. Oh, which way does it go? There we are. That actually went all right, that one, didn't it?
Boom.
There we go. Now the other one.
Are you going to go on the inside?
I'll try and do the inside. Come inside first.
You got to do the camera. You got to do the James Bond going underneath the. 'Cause I haven't really done it.
Yep. Oh, I don't think it's going to stretch over the two.
No.
Bugger.
You're going to be doing a lot of editing.
Oh, well, that's the beauty of editing. That's your lights.
Oh no!
Oh, where did this bloody go? Oh, for Christ's sake.
So you've got 3 all together, but you can put to the 2 together.
You can't. Oh, there it is.
Would you like me to do it?
No, I've just got to work it out. Right, that's that bit done. Uncon all this. Can I open this for a bit of light?
Yeah. So
There
you
we
just
go.
got the fly net up
You've
there.
got a bit of light in there now. Get my shoes off in the bedroom. Right, so let's get that off of there as well. And that one off of there.
Oh, I can't zoom out anymore. And you're going to have to, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of zips in there. There's that bit. And then, oh, yay, that's one. Oh, do you know what? That really freaked me out. I'm looking down there like, how can I see trees? It's a reflection in your bonnet.
So far it's taken you 4 minutes and 13 seconds.
Right. So, no, gotta go. Does it go like that, or does it go like this? Oh, I'm getting strangled.
Have you just dropped it?
No. Oh. Right, I can't see. Oh, it's got to go that way.
I can't film it. I can't see anything.
Yeah, so you probably want to go outside.
Yeah. Don't fall out!
Get out! Get out!
Are you actually joking? Fuck. I thought you were joking! Well, at least there's bark that you could have fallen on.
Okay, you don't fall out of here if you're paying attention. Right, so this is the trouble. You can't see where you're going. I don't even know where it is. Is it this way, this way? Where is it?
Good question. It's all the way there. Oh, I'm going to have to put the camera down. Hold on. No, you're not going to get it. You're not going to get it. You're not going to get
you
it
know what, I
because
think...
it's all the way here.
Okay.
So this
is a little bit skewed, is it?
No, it's too tight, I think. Because I think this needs to come
There you go, I got it.
there.
There you
Ow.
go. You get your finger out then.
No, you don't near it. You've got to go in there.
You're not even near that one now.
Right, stop.
Okay.
You see
Okay.
it? There. There.
Alrighty. I got it. Hey, you can film some more now.
Don't think I'm finished. It's still recording. Please don't fall.
I had it, and then it's come out again. There, see? It goes there, and then, right, so that goes out like that, and then you can easily pull it like this. Easy, see? There,
Right,
easy.
do the other one then.
I'll do this one real quick this time. I know I've got it. So, this one's going to be a bit easier to do, because I can see it. No, I'm going the wrong way. There you go, look.
I'm going to do it really quick.
There. And then we just pull it like this. And we don't fall out. And it's done. Easy as that.
Are we doing the back window?
Oh, we can do. Oh, how many more windows?
That's it. I'll help him a little bit. Hi, bro. Don't fall out this time.
Oh, it's a bit of a long drop, that one. I don't have the rods around the other side.
Just hold that.
I love that. Yeah.
Oh, I haven't. Right, where are the rods?
At the entrance. Oh, now she at the back. Yeah. Don't want to get my drone out to have a little film the tent from afar, from up above. That's going to be a great view. Because I'm not going to get anything done tomorrow when it's raining. Oh, here. Oh, ooh. There we go.
Right.
No, dead easy this one. Dead easy. Goes up that way.
Oh my God.
And where's the, oh, there's the hole. This one's easier to do. Look. No, it goes this way. No, it doesn't. It goes this way. That way, that way, that way. There you are, look. Easy as that. And this one goes the other way. Easy as that. See, look. So I told you it's easy, didn't I? Now you got to... Oh dear. I do feel like private Spencer sometimes.
Jesus Christ! What are you doing?
Well, it's a bit more cushiony this side, isn't it? That'll be alright.
Yeah, like I said, you got bark to fall on.
There you are, look, see? That does work alright like that, doesn't it? If you've got longer arms and longer body.
I have no hope in hell. Well, how does it look? Here you go, take the camera and span it round.
Alrighty, here we go, look at this. So this is out the rear window. Oh yes. And the side window. Here. And then run, Forrest. And there we go. Alright, it's time for fly a drone, I think.